Hello friends, welcome to Tutorial Days, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install MongoDB latest version in your Windows machine. Guys, I had already installed 5.xx version, but now 7 point something is going on by the time this video is recorded. So I will show you how to install MongoDB 7.xx version into your Windows computer. Okay, so let's go to here MongoDB download. You need to write here and then click here. Once you click here, then you can see community version, and then try MongoDB Atlas, which is for particularly cloud service. Now you can see here the version. Okay, so current version is 7.0.4 by the time this video is recorded, and I need, you can use zip version, but the best one is MSI. Okay, and as per your Windows machine you can use this one. So my operating system is Windows 64. Now I will click on download. So the download has started. Once this completes, then we will start installation. Okay, so now it's successfully installed. Let me go to my download folder, and now I double click and start installation. Next, and then next. There is nothing special about it. Then let me install it complete. It will be installed in my program files 7.0 data. Next, and then this one is important. It's already checked, MongoDB Compass. So if anyone of you has already worked on PHP, then you know PHP-MyAdmin. So this is like that. That means graphically, with GUI, graphically you can manage database, insert, update, delete, and also create database, create documents, and all other things also. Okay, so keep it checked, right? Then next, and then install. The installation started. As you can see, by the time this video is recorded, 7.0.4 version is going on. Currently Compass is being installed, and yes, finally it got installed. It says that I should restart the computer, but for the time being I'm not going to restart. So if you want to search from here, then right here, or simply MongoDB Compass. And now you can see this is Compass. So simply clicked on connect, and then successfully we have connected. Now if you want to create any database, then it's very easy. Click on here, you can see database, then click on plus sign and then database name. So I'll write it as students, and then collection name, that means table name, student. Create database. So this is our database name, and this one is student, our table name. Here you can add data, insert document directly. You can insert from here, or you have another view like this. ID is automatically generated starting with _ID. Now if you want to add more field, then say first name. then here Umar. The data type will be string. Again plus sign here, and we will write here last name and then Rahman. String. Email string, and then ID. So you can put here something like this, and here you can select database as well, int 64, so that will be integer. Now insert, and you can see the data is saved in JSON format. So guys, that's it in this MongoDB installation. Hope you like this video, and if still you have not subscribed my channel, then I recommend you please subscribe the channel, and of course if you have any question or queries, then don't forget to ask into the comment box. So by that time, see you in the next video. Bye bye.